I slightly misremembered some of the prices while recording the video. Here's a picture showing my actual prices paid. I really do need to make these films closer to the event so I don't forget.
Hello everyone. On the 12th of June I was down in East Sussex, so I went to the local car boot sale down there, and these are the items I managed to pick up. We'll start with this. It is a Billings and Spencer. It's got a patent at Feb 18th 1879. I think it's a model E. Yeah, it says E just there. So this is the first one of these I have encountered. I was happy to pick it up. It was in pretty good condition, not much rust on it. You can see a bit of remnant there of the condition it was in when I picked it up. This cost me 50 pence, I think it was. I also picked up this King Dick, a number 2, Abingdon, so an early-ish one. And this is the remnants of the logo and trademark. This was a little bit rusty, as you can see in there, and this was 50 pence as well. Picked up this nice little saw. I didn't notice until I got home that in fact the handle had been broken just there and was held together with a screw through there, but it wasn't quite a perfect join, so I've just glued this one and been doing a bit of sanding, so the handle is smooth to touch all round. Quite a good size, quite like that one. Good for small tenons, dovetails and the like, perhaps. Picked up these rusty secateurs, as we call them. It does have a spring down the inside of the handle there, where it's too rusty to spring it open most of the time. You get it to that position, it stays locked. These are £1. They are roll cut. Very useful forceps, are they? Locking items anyway. Already managed to use these to go down a long tube and pick out a load of fluff that was blocking it from my vacuum cleaner. They were 50 pence. This was 50 pence as well. One of those push through ratchets. All it's got on it is lift, and it does in fact say to lower. So that was alright. This was 50 pence. It was completely rusted, but it turns out to be a tap handle, Eclipse 142, with this as its twisting lever arm. Small grub screw to hold it in position. Yeah, happy with that. 50 pence. This was 50 pence as well, another 4-inch adjustable. This one is Kamasa Tools, really smooth operating, not done anything to this. It was as found, Japan. A stubby, one of the Magnum series. a King Dick 6-inch adjustable. This was rusted completely. I managed to free it up and it operates, however it gets to about there and it becomes very difficult to unwind again without a bit of assistance. I think there's some play in the screw mechanism. So it's got the broad arrow and a contract number there. I think that was £1. A small Stanley Magnum flat blade. Picked up this little box of items for £1. Mainly I was after this excellent little clamp. But it also had a small stubby. And this is a socket. 5/16. A bit holder, a countersink, and a release for a quite small chuck. So that was alright. The same chap, I think I paid £3 for these Forstner bits. It's a double set basically, duplicates, but they're metric millimetre sizes. I like the fact that some of them have got the caps on. Also picked up this F-clamp from the same chap. I think this was £1, and these were 50p for jump leads. I do have a set of jump leads where the one of the clamps is a cheap plastic one has snapped there, so I can use this as a replacement handle. And last but not least, I picked up this nice Westco oiler with the nylon spout. Birmingham, England, 56, so I presume that's the year of manufacture. And that was my countryside haul for that weekend. Thanks very much for watching. Please leave a comment, and appreciate you all coming and visiting. Thanks a lot.